welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we have the same skill as the previous two videos, this time advanced. Make sure to subscribe before we get into it, and let's get started. Customer surveys the stock of gluten-free bread sold in 3 different grocery stores. At each grocery store, the customer counts the number of different gluten-free breads and compares it to the number of breads that are not gluten-free. This table shows the results. Based on the information, what is the relative frequency of gluten-free bread sold at store A compared to those sold at all stores combined? So first we need to find the number of gluten-free breads sold at store A, which is just 2. And now we're going to compare this to gluten-free bread sold at all stores combined. So that's 2 plus 7 plus 3. Yep. So that is 12. 2 out of 12 is just 1 out of 6. So that means that 1 out of 6 is our answer. On to question number 2. A political scientist was interested in determining how the age of various United States presidents at the time of their first election related to the number of years they served in office. A table is shown representing that information. If 45.8% of presidents between 50 and 59 served more than 4 years, how many presidents is this? So so that means that out of our total 24, 45.8% of those served more than 4 years, and then the rest of the percentage didn't. We can set up a good old proportion here with our x there, and now we are trying to find 45.8% of the whole, which is 24. We can go ahead and multiply 24 times 45.8. That is approximately 1,090. Which when we divide by 100 is 10.99. We're just going to round to 11 because there can't be 10.99 of a president. So that means that 11 presidents served more than 4 years, and that is what they're asking us for. 11 is our answer. Of course, that's why we rounded to the nearest whole number. On to question number 3. A particular galaxy is being used in a study of star formation. The table partially represents the study's preliminary observations of star age versus distance from the galaxy center. If about 13% of the stars included in the table were older than 10 billion years and also over 1,500 light years from the galaxy center, approximately how many stars is this? So over 10 years and then over 1,500 light years from the galaxy center. So 13% of all the stars included in the table. So this number represents all the stars included in the table. So that's going to be our whole. Very similar to question number 2. We have our part up here. And then this equals 13 over 100. We're just going to multiply 13 by 1,118. This is 14,534. Divided by 100 is 145.34. And 145 is the closest to that answer. On to our last question here. A waste management survey collected data about the types of materials that were recycled by 3 different states in 2008. The table shows the approximate amount of each material recycled, measured in thousands of tons. Based on the information, as a percentage, approximately what is the relative frequency of plastics recycled in New Mexico in plastics recycled in all 3 states combined? So we need to find the plastics recycled in New Mexico. Of course, we just have plastics right here. Plastics recycled in New Mexico is 3 compared to all the states combined would be 18 plus 3, which is 21, plus 12, which is 33. 3 out of 33, which is when we divide both numerator and denominator by 3, we get 1 over 11, and 1 divided by 11 is approximately 0.09, which converts to 9%. That means B is our final answer for this question. If you have any remaining questions, especially with these advanced difficulty levels, make sure to leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. I hope to see you guys when we go over our next skill, and I'll see you then. Make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.